today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what affiliate marketing is, why it works so well for beginners, and most importantly, how you can get started as early as today. And if you stick around till the end of this video, I'm going to give you a very special bonus where I show you the best offer to promote in the online space right now to get you $1,000 commissions on autopilot. But before we get into that, you're going to want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss another upload. Because at this channel, we're all about helping you create a lifestyle of wealth and freedom through entrepreneurship, online business, and side hustles. Okay, so let's dive straight into the video. Affiliate marketing is simply a performance-based business where you partner with companies who have already established products or services, and you do the promotion, and when somebody buys because of your promotion, that company will pay you a commission. For example, we've got Father's Day coming up. You go out, you promote this mug to the moms out there and say, hey, my wife got me this mug last year. It's an amazing Father's Day gift. Here's a link where you can pick it up. Those moms go, they purchase it for their husband, and boom, you get paid a commission. So now that you know what affiliate marketing is, let's dive into why this business model is so simple and complete beginners are finding success with it every single day. So because you are promoting somebody else's products or services, they handle all of the shipping, all of the fulfillment, all of the customer service, but most importantly, all of the sales, allowing you to focus on one thing and one thing alone, and that is the promotion or the marketing. And this is the true benefit for this style of business, because if you're like myself and you have limited time and limited resources to work on your business, you are going to want a business model that can produce massive results while you only focus on doing one thing. I call it singular focus, and this is the true beauty behind this style of business because it allows you to focus on one thing and one thing alone, while the business handles 90% of the headaches that come along with owning a business, and you get paid high-ticket commissions for it. So when you're trying to build a business in your spare time, being able to focus on only one thing and still be able to produce massive results is the true key to building a sustainable long-term business for yourself. So now you know what affiliate marketing is and why it is so simple for literally anybody to start. Let's talk about one thing that I didn't mention. And this is probably the biggest benefit of affiliate marketing. When you're thinking about traditional business versus business today, it has never been simpler for everyday people like you and me to get started for all the reasons that we talked about earlier, right? Traditional businesses, you need a location, you need to hire staff, you need to, ship in pallets and get inventory. You're talking thousands of dollars monthly in overhead. This style of business allows you to get started for free, okay, or have very, very limited overhead when you're getting started. And with the power of social media, there are people out there literally making six-figure incomes doing short form video content, posting 5 to 8 second clips where they never even have to speak a word. That's the true power of this style of business in the way social media is right now. You just have to make a simple switch from becoming a content consumer to a content creator, and then you implement the systems that automate the entire process for you, and you can literally focus on posting 2 to 3 pieces of content on social media a day. And that is how people like myself and so many others out there are coming online and starting a successful, sustainable online business in their spare time. So congratulations on making it this far in the video. If you are still here, that means you are in for a very special bonus, okay? So I'm going to leave a link down in the description about where you can get started with affiliate marketing fast. And guess what? The cool part about where you can get started is you are going to be able to learn a step-by-step training. In fact, the same exact step-by-step training I took to learn this business model and what helped me go from 0 to 6 figures in only 8 months. The cool part is you're going to learn from that, but not only that, you are going to have an opportunity to build your first affiliate marketing business and be able to promote that same product to your audience, which pays high ticket commissions. High ticket commissions are classified as an individual sale that is worth $1,000 or more. And this is by far the hottest product on the market right now for these commissions, and I'm living proof of it. So go ahead and check out that link down in the description right now. Go ahead, get started, and learn how to promote these products to generate high ticket commissions for yourself. And let me know in the comments what kind of videos you all want to see next, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss another upload. I'm out.